doing a lot of things ourselves now. My sisters and I have challenges, and this was one that we had today. It was kind of funny, but we got it together, so stay tuned. Today we were putting together a shed for the back porch. So of course I made my 73-year-old sister carry all of the parts, and I was behind the camera because I wanted to make sure that I got a really good picture of her butt, which she absolutely thought was awesome. And that's Peggy, one of our dogs, who was really helping. She was helping so much. She was showing my sister which way to go and what parts needed to be where. The project wouldn't have been complete without moving the antique cheese maker. Here's Glenna putting it on the wrong way, and of course I have to jump out from behind the camera to lend a hand to put it on the wrong way, which resulted in us reading the instructions and me going to the shed where the snake lives, which is not a pleasant trip for me. However, I did find a mallet, which was something that we absolutely needed. And here's me using the mallet the wrong way. It was amazing. It was amazing that we ever got through this project. But ta-da, it's done. And it's beautiful, and it's perfect.